is my life and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? 1,000 may fall at my side, I will not fear. I will not fear. The Lord is my life and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? 1,000 may fall at my side, I will not fear. I will not fear, not by power, not by might, but by Spirit, says the Lord. I will live and will not die, my shield and my reward. His is like a spirit, His name aloud. Mountains will move, walls break down with through. The Lord is my star and my fortress. In Him will I hide. In Him will I hide. In the midst of the war, I will be strong in a battle with your soul. This is my song. In Him will I hide. In the midst of the war, I will be strong in a battle with your soul. This is my song, not by power, not by might, but by Spirit, says the Lord. I will live and will not die, my shield and my reward. His word is true, His Spirit is life, I'll speak His name aloud. Mountains will move, and the walls break down with through. I walk by faith and not by sight. I know for sure redemption is nigh. Children, chapter 2, verse 32 says, shall be delivered, and that man shall be saved. He will save His grace. Hallelujah. More than breakthrough. My spirit, says the Lord. I will live and will not die. My shield and my in His name aloud. Mountains will move. Not by power, not by might, but my Spirit, says the Lord. I will live and will not die. As my shield and my reward. His word is true, His Spirit is life. I'll speak His name aloud. Mountains will move and the walls break down. Mountains will move and the walls break down. Mountains will move and the walls break down with me. Mountains will move and the walls break down. You will have your breakthrough.